This video is going to be a little bit different to what we usually do. We have some visitors coming this afternoon. You might know them. We've got Mark from Overlanding4WD and we've got James from Dadulthood. Both got Range Rover L322s. If you sort of follow them on social media or wherever you see people, you'll know that they've been off-roading through the Pyrenees and they're calling in here on their way to the ferry. So I thought, right, we'll get some videos done, and so yeah, I've got some videos planned. This is whether we've got the time and the weather, because we had storms last night and it's forecast storms this afternoon. Anyway, I gave Mark a bit of a hint of the videos that we're going to be doing, if time allows. So I'm going to do my segment now so that it frees up a bit of time this afternoon. This is the fault code face-off. I think we've all got GAP tools. I know Mark's got one. I don't know if James has got one, but anyway, if he hasn't, we can plug one of ours in. It's the GAP tool challenge. I thought it'd be interesting to see if we each plug our GAP tools in, see what faults actually come up. And unbeknown to them, we have a trophy. I made a golden spanner. Now this isn't for the winner necessarily. This is for the loser. Obviously, the one with the most fault codes wins the trophy. So anyway, I'm going to jump in the Range Rover, get the GAP tool plugged in, and we'll see how many faults we've got on that. I'll screenshot my phone, screen record my phone. I'll try and get them two to do it as well when they get here. And yeah, we'll have a bit of a laugh, shall we? See who's got the most fault codes. If you watch Dadulthood's channel, you'll know that he hasn't had the much best of luck with his Range Rover. He went to the Arctic, up to the Arctic, drive shaft, prop shaft went in Germany, had to have it recovered home, and then he went to, they had a little group meeting up in the Strata, Florida in Wales. He had transfer box issues, so he had it recovered home again. I know what all you haters out there say. Well, you should have got a Toyota. Should have got a Toyota, not a bloody Range Rover. Difference between Toyota and a Land Rover. Toyota will get you home. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to jump in the car, plug it in, and let's see what faults ours has got. I know it will probably have some, because I've not cleared the codes for a while. I did let on to them what we're going to be doing, so I'm hoping that they haven't cleared any of their codes. Let's get in the car and have a look. Right, so I'm screen recording now, put it up on the screen. So we're going to click on faults. Faults will be red. Scanning. It's a slow old job. It's got a few ECUs to go through. Oh shit. Right, let's click on show all faults. Fucking hell, I might be keeping the trophy here. Right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh dear. 11 fault codes. Now, some of these were triggered. It looks like one was triggered, like the front left height sensor was triggered when I did the control arms on the car. I should have cleared the codes after that job. So it looks like I might be keeping the trophy. We'll have to see what the other two come up with. Passenger door central locking motor. It works. All the doors lock. Short circuit or back. Tina did have a problem with it the other day. It wouldn't read her key because the battery's going flat in it. I think that was shown on here. Lost communication with parking brake module. It always says that. Fan, electrical failure. Driver's door central locking motor. Yeah. Key transponder. Bus signal measure failure. Missing a message. That was her key, I think, because that was at 149,315. We're on 391, so that's Tina was let out in it last, so I was probably, oh no, I went out in it after that. Audio system, there's always something. I mean, why does the audio system have to communicate with the parking assist control module? Anyway, I mean, these are all old faults triggered on 13th of July, Fibre optic communication bus signal is invalid, was triggered on the 5th of July. Then we've got speaker circuits, speaker 8, speaker 1, speaker 2. Everything works on it. I don't understand. It says general electrical failure, circuit open. Whether the faults get triggered by losing communication, I just assume that when it says it's lost communication, something has shut down out of sequence. Who knows? Anyway, I'm going to clear the codes. Shit. I should have cleared the codes when I did the control arms a couple of weeks ago. I might have cocked the job up for myself here. Right, so no faults. So let's check the faults again. Nothing. So let's go back. And that'll do. We'll just disconnect because I don't want to mess about too much today. That's it. 11 faults. Bugger. I thought this competition was going to be a sure thing, and I had a rough idea where this trophy was going to go. I might have to amend the rules. Do we give the trophy to the car with the least faults? Because it's looking like mine might have the most faults. I'm pretty sure my car, our version of the L322, it's a 2010 facelift model with a 3.6 in it. It's not even done 100,000 miles yet. Anyway, we'll see what happens later on. We might have to give this to the person with the least amount of faults and say, look, you're the winner, you get the golden spanner. Because at this rate, I can't see me coming out on top. Balls. Anyway, I'll catch you later when the other two get here and we'll do some more filming.
Faults.
Wait and see if he makes it all the way through before you say
Faults
you'll
will be
go
read.
away.
Absolutely, yeah. It's a bit of a standing joke.
Yeah. These are all L322s.
Mm-hmm.
Not that one, obviously.
Yes, they've both got the new ones than me. They've got the facelift one, so it's from 2009 upwards. Mine's 2008, so mine's flat on the front. These ones sort of tilt slightly.
Yours is
9
not the same
faults.
grille
9.
as
9.
these ones.
Audio amplifier, 4 faults. I know what that is. The
Yeah,
most
yeah.
is out. Body control, 3
No, he's got the
faults.
same.
Driver's
although they
climate
look very
seat,
similar to
1
mine,
fault.
He's got the same front end
Driver's
as
door,
Yeah,
2
it's
well.
faults.
The facelift one, which it tilts
1
back
ventilation fault.
His is a really good as well,
Instrument
it's the
pack,
one
3
where
faults. Camera,
they were just-
5
He
faults.
hasn't got Brembo brakes. he's got the
Engine,
other
1
brakes.
fault.
Oh, really?
Passenger
slightly. Well,
door,
it's TD6,
2
isn't
faults.
it?
Yeah. Oh, you thought you were going to get in there, did you, girl?
Body control, I know what that is.
So how many is that in total?
What, adding up on the faults in each of them?
Yeah, because that's what I did on mine.
Right. 4, 8, 10, 11,
How many?
It's alright, I've not lost.
19, 20, 22.
22!
He's going to beat me. Well, would you believe it? Not going to lie.
It's, what is a LIN bus A? Bus signal message failure. Bus is
What
off.
do you reckon you've got?
That is.
9.
About 9.
Yeah, because I've been clearing mine off.
Lost communication with the body control module.
Well, a constant 9.
Well, yeah.
Driver's
go
door.
away.
You might
General
have to couple more
failure.
by today. You end
Is
up
that
about,
9 ECU faults?
9 ECU faults, yeah.
So how many faults on each ECU?
Oh, I don't know, I'd have to look. I'm assuming 1.
Because Mark said he only had 9 to start with, but then he goes into it, it was...
Oh, right.
Nothing major.
Oh no! And if you clear them, everything will still work. Same
It's
as
usually
that.
if the battery's ever got low.
Fan. General electric failure.
Oh, I had that on mine.
Headlamp control unit, which is up there, which is not even in there, so that's 3. Engine control fault. Cylinder 8 glow plug. Well, I know about that one. Body control. What's LIN bus A?
It's a new one on me.
Limbus, there's
Right, let's clear them all.
infotainment. That's the infotainment thing, I think, isn't it? Limbus.
No idea.
We'll clear them all and see what we get.
Oh, we're clearing them as well, aren't we? That's risky. I might not start after that.
I don't think you have to clear them.
Update failed.
Don't need to bleep.
It always says update failed.
Scanning modules.
It'll be frightening when it comes back with 53.
Yeah, it comes back with more.
Yeah. I'm waiting for the day that happens to him.
2. Body control fault. Lost communication with headlight control model. That. Instrument pack. Lost communication with engine. I told you that's all it is.
Mirror, yeah.
Yeah. So.
Oh well. Connected.
There's a lot of dinging going on in there.
Yeah. Transmission fault, traction reduced, suspension lowered. There we go. Right. Faults. Faults will be read. Do you have time? It says.
Do we have time to read all the faults?
I hope there's nothing new. As long as it's the ones I already know about, that's alright.
Day from home. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, so without going into them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all 9 ECUs have got faults. So I've got, so on terrain response, I've got 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. Then I've got a headlight fault, which just comes back from suspension issues. That's just one fault. Remote driver utility thing, that's another fault. That's that camera thing that I don't have on this. Parking brake fault, that's new. Engine faults.
Ooh.
Hang on. Okay, vehicle speed sensor, algorithm based failure, and then the right rear wheel speed sensor. So that's the same thing, that's 2 faults there. Rear differential. That's the vehicle dynamic control module, so that'll be because of that actuator. Another module one because of the activate bus failure, yeah, that one as well.
What one? You skipped over that one.
No, so we've got the rear diff one and the transfer case both got the same fault. Lost communication with vehicle dynamics control module, and then transfer case is the same. Lost communication with vehicle dynamics module on there. So TCM, vehicle speed sensor triggered, and transmission, and then vehicle dynamic right rear. So loads of them are because of the wheel speed sensor. But I've got, well, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
14.
Yeah.
And those ones where it reset.
If I clear that, they'll all come back.
Right.
Which I can try.
Go on,
Go on then.
give it a whirl.
I'd love it if it fixes itself.
Can you imagine how irritating that would
Get all the
be?
way up here and it fixes itself. What error?
There you go, the headlights. Yeah, it's ridiculous. Because of that one speed sensor, it turns off the ABS. Because obviously ABS can't do it, doesn't work it out. And if you haven't got ABS, it turns off hill descent control, and then all of the terrain stuff. Turns that off, you then lose your differential, locking differentials. So it just cascades up from that, from a speed sensor.
And your EAS.
Yeah, and I can't do anything with that at all. Right, it's rescanning the modules. 4, 5. Six headlight. I think it's all. They should. I think it's all the same ones coming back. Parking brake.
That's a new one.
Yeah, I think that might be because I don't really know what that is. The fact that that's not going away. Hang on, I've got slightly less. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Did I say how many was it?
11. 14.
So 14 to 11.
So you went 22 to 2.
Yeah.
I went 11 to 0.
Oh, I can't get rid
But
of
my 2 I know about.
Your device isn't there anymore, is it, to do those two?
Yeah, so can't
Mirrors like
always
that.
have it.
I think we have a winner then.
Yeah.
That's a
Yours is
prank.
by far the worst.
Yay!
Trade it in, get a Toyota. Trophy presentation for the GAP Tool Challenge. The loser, should we say, not the winner, is James, so he gets the golden spanner.
Yay! Thank you very much. That will go on my mantelpiece. Wonderful.
How many faults was it?
11 after zeroing them out.
Yeah.
It's 14 before, 11 after. So
You was 22.
22, 2.
2. Mine was 11 and then 0. That is your thing. I'll give you that. Are you doing a video on that?
I will when I get back to yeah.
If you want to see what's in that box, check out Dadulthood's channel. Yeah.
About 8 of the errors.